Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I am here with the Cat Lady box for May. It is the Mother's Day box, or the Fur Mom's Day box. And we have just opened the April box. Jellybean is sitting right here with me, holding on to his toys from the last box. But I was ready to open this one since it is... He's knocking over all the toys. Okay, well, he's about to get a couple more. So let's pop this open. Jellybean, we're going to have more in here, buddy. We are. He might come back. You never know. Oh, this is the toy from April. One of the toys from April. And they love these guys. Okay, so let me put that like that. Okay, so here is the artwork for May. Very cute. The featured cat lady artist is Gabriela Toma. Gabi Toma is a Romanian illustrator and graphic designer. In her projects, she loves using vibrant colors and fun characters inspired by her two cat muses, Stella and Sonia, who are always by her side, ready to lend a helping paw or two. I know about that. And because you can never have too many cats, she also has created Noir, an imaginary black cat with a passion for treats and naps. You can find both Gabi and Noir on Instagram at gabi.toma.art and noir.gato. And that's how they say cat in other languages, G-A-T-O. And for colorful cat-themed prints, you can check Gabi's artist shop, gabitoma.threadless.com. Okay, so I'll try to remember to put some of that information down so that you guys can check out more of Gabi's things. And as I said at the beginning of the video, this is the Cat Mom's Day box for May. So let's get it open. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's a rose. It could almost be a... It's not a rose. Hold up. It's a lily. Wait, this is... Well, it says it's a rose. But you know how, like, they have those flowers with the stamen in the middle that comes out like that? I thought that was something... I mean, if you put it up like this... And it could be a rose. But I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about that another flower. You guys probably all know what it is. I think it's a lily of some kind. And it kind of looks like this. Right? I don't know. But this one has catnip in it. And so we have someone who's very interested right here. What you think, buddy? You think it's a rose? Or do you think it's like, I don't know, that other flower Mommy's talking about? He's trying to get his other toy out without me taking it out. Let me get it. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. This one's mine. This one's mine. Jellybean, hold up. It's a dino purr. Oh my goodness. Jellybean, look, buddy. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to take the tag off of this guy. And then that way we'll be able to play with it as soon as we are done. We don't have to worry about the tag. So took the tag off of that guy. And let me take the one off of the dino purr. Who do we have? Is that Scout? Hi, Scout. We got toys up here, buddy. Yes, we are playing with toys up here. Oh my goodness, like I just love this little guy. Look at him. Do you know I still am like, I love our little sloth so much. And right now he's currently like in the basement. So then I get to see him like every time I go down there to like cut fabric for everyone. And now we're going to have a dino purr. I love him. I love him. Okay, do you want this guy? I don't know. It's Mommy's. It's Mommy. You want the flower? How about I let you have the flower and I'll keep the dino purr? This is Scout down here. Want to know what he gets to play with. Okay. Do you want that? We'll put it right there, okay? All right, I'm keeping this one up here with me. for right now. We'll see how long that lasts. Okay, now we have, this is for the mom. It looks like this in the box. Okay, let's see. Let's open this up. Dorian comes out with like the best stuff. I'm not even kidding. Oh my goodness, hold up. I think it's a vase. Well, if you were like snooty, you might say vase. Oh my goodness. I know that's what it is. It must be what it is. Hold up. A flat cat vase. You guys, it's ceramic. It's gorgeous. Look, it's got a tail on the back. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my, they give us the best stuff. Dorian, I love this. I don't think we've even ever, if we got a vase before, I do not remember. I don't remember having ever gotten anything duplicate. I know that we got a flower once, like for the cats. But it wasn't like that. It was a different, well, this one, it was different. But I mean, that's the closest ever. That's, oh my goodness. Okay. I love that. That's gorgeous. Okay. This box is amazeballs. Okay. So then we got some jewelry. I'm sure that's what this is. Oh my goodness. Jellybean, what you think it is, buddy? What is it, JB? What? No, don't lay on. Well, it's not a black. You know, I got a t-shirt, right? So he's like freaking out. Oh my goodness. It's a Jellybean. It's a bangle. It's a cat cuff bracelet. At first glance, you might think this is a plain silver bracelet. But take a closer look and you'll see it's actually cats. Okay, hold up. Because it does just look like a plain... He's laying in the box. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where I'm supposed to... Here it is. Sorry, I'm so slow, guys. And I'll see it's actually cats. Oh! Okay, so look it. Can you even see, like, right here, the ends of it? It's like a little cat head. And it is on the other side, too. See how it's a little cat head? Oh, my goodness. Okay, so hold up. I got... Oh. Okay, so it was a little difficult to put on, but if you just wear it like this and pray that you don't look like you're squeezing too much fat in it. Oh my goodness. I do love it. I mean, I don't know. I'm not like a huge, like, I wear jewelry, don't get me wrong, but like, because I'm like at work, I'm constantly typing. Sometimes I don't tend to wear like bracelets too much because of, you know, then this is down and it hurts, to be honest. But I love it. I love it. I'm going to put it right in the front where I'll see it and then perhaps put it on. Okay. I do love it. Oh, you guys knocking everything over. Okay, no problem. And then I got a t-shirt. Let me try to pull it out from under the cat. Hold on, buddy. I just need your shirt. You can stay in there. No, you can stay. He's like, but that was my pillow. Oh, goodness. Okay, so it says Cat Mom. And I do have a few t-shirts with Cat Mom on it. But it's always in a different font. And this is like, oh my gosh, these are great. I love it. I love it. Cat Mom, c'est moi. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was the Mother's Day box, the Cat Mom's Day box from Cat Lady. I Love it. I love it so much, Dorian. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.